If you're looking for a super long lavalier microphone for iOS, this might be it. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked up this wired lavalier microphone for iOS. It's by Finch. It says iOS right up there. And the reason I picked this up is because there are a lot of times when I need a lavalier microphone. I don't want to just use the built-in microphone on my camera because I'm out someplace. But one of the things that I don't like is with my wireless microphones, I, one, have to make sure they're charged. But then two, sometimes I'm disappointed when I haven't turned it on or taken it off mute. One hasn't paired up right or it's not receiving. And then you find yourself with a bunch of video where there's no audio on anything. There is nothing more frustrating than that. So I thought, hey, maybe I could solve this by just having a wired lavalier microphone for those simple setups. But I got it in the longest form possible because if I'm far away from the camera, I can just plug it in. I know it'll work. I don't have to worry about batteries not being charged. I don't have to worry about putting off videos because I'm waiting on batteries to charge up. So this is what we get here. First of all, it will plug into your iOS device with a lightning cable right there. It has a little aluminized collar on it, which is kind of nice. Even little rubber grips on the side here so that you can pull it out a little easier. And then we have one of these nylon covered cords right there. I love these because they tend to be pretty durable. It gives them some extra protection if people step on it or something rolls over on it. Now this one is quite long, as you can tell by all of the cableage here. This one is just a shot under 20 feet, 19.7 feet, so basically 20 feet. So what I can do with this is plug it in, hopefully walk a long ways away, kind of like I would with a wireless microphone, yet have wired mic capability and all the convenience that comes with that. Up here we have the lavalier microphone. We have one of these little alligator clips on the side, pretty typical. It's actually a little bit bigger than I was expecting, as you might be able to see here. It's fairly tall. With the little windsock on there, I'd say it's about 1.5 inches tall, so maybe just a little bit bigger than some of those really small lavalier microphones. I can pull that off there, you know, yeah. About 1.25 inches long right there. So what I want to do here is just go ahead and plug it in and try it out, and then we will add some distance, stretch out this microphone and see if it works. All right, so I've got the Finch microphone plugged in here. Can you hear me talking into the microphone? And I'm just going to go ahead and put it on my shirt like this. So I'd probably be using it like this most of the time, unless the pickup isn't very good, then I might move it up a little bit here. But I'm just speaking in my normal voice here, but through 20 feet of cord into the phone. Now what should happen here is, because I'm not using my boom or shotgun mic, when I turn away from you, the audio usually really drops off. But in this case, even though I'm talking to you over there, you should still hear me as if I were talking straight in there, which is kind of one of the benefits of this lavalier microphone. Now, I think, despite the fact that I'm only sitting a few feet away from my phone here, it is still going through 20 feet of cord. So this should work whether I'm sitting right next to the camera or 20 feet away. But we should verify that. All right. Trying to figure out a way to get myself 20 feet away from the camera, so standing on my steps here with the camera way down there. Now I'm hoping this microphone is working just fine, and you shouldn't be surprised that it doesn't matter where you are in proximity to the camera. It's really just the fact that you have the capability to go 20 feet away if you really, really want to. And so I can be pretty far from my camera, still record. Now I will say that if the cord is going to be suspended, it's just hanging between my phone and my shirt right here, that the cord, 20 feet of it with that nylon covering, is pretty heavy. So, you know, it's actually pretty nice and stable. So what I would say is that you probably want the cord to hang to the floor and run along the floor. So it's not going to be a full 20 feet that you can get away from it. So if you do want more than that, if you want more than 15 feet of range from your camera, iOS device, your iPhone, your iPad, then I probably would suggest one of the wireless lavalier microphones that I have reviewed. They're all very, very good. But if you just want the simplicity of being able to plug this in, know the microphone is going to work out of the box, not have to worry about audio, not have to worry about plugging in things, making sure things are charged, making sure things are paired, end up recording video with no audio, then this is probably going to give you some peace of mind, and it's going to be really, really simple. So, depending on your setup, I think something like this might be what the doctor ordered. Hey, if you want to pick up this 20-foot long wired lavalier microphone, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
So much deeper. We can live better than ever, thanks to Peter Von Panda.